Are you facing lot of difficulties to understand your mechanical engineering subjects? Have you failed in mechanical engineering subject examination? So the answer is here. As per the survey report submitted in 2023 March, GATE Indian Institute of Tutorials ranked number 1 mechanical engineering tuition center in Karnataka. GATE Indian Institute of Tutorials has given 100% results in last 10 years with the top ranks in mechanical engineering examinations for VTU and all other universities of BE BTech in mechanical engineering students. GATE Indian Institute of Tutorials cover entire syllabus and all kind of subjects related to mechanical engineering like Year 1, English, Mathematics, Environmental Studies, Electrical Technology, Introduction to Information Technology, Physics, Engineering Materials, Electronics Instrumentation, Engineering Mechanics, Workshops, Chemistry, Engineering Graphics, Modern Biology, Value Education and HR, practical sessions, applied thermodynamics, mathematics, dynamic of machinery, manufacturing process, material technology, mechanics of solids, fluid mechanics, electrical machines and control, metrology instrumentation, workshops, theory of mechanics, numerical statistical methods, kinematics, industrial drafting and machine design, heat and mass transfer, industrial engineering management, computer aided design CAD, control engineering, production technology, internal combustion engines, advanced solid mechanics, thermal engineering, advanced mechanical engineering design, mechanical vibrations, power plant engineering, law of engineers, measurement and instrumentation, energy conservation, waste heat utilization, fracture mechanics, aerodynamics, utilization of non-conventional energy, operations research, maintenance engineering, mechanical handling equipment, production and industrial management, organizational behavior, etc. All other subjects they cover in the tuition classes, whatever is related to BE and BTech mechanical engineering in Bangalore. I would like to wish you the best of luck for your upcoming 2024, 2025, 2026 examinations. And this is just a video is made only for the information sake. We wanted to provide you the information which is the best coaching center available now these days or tuition center for mechanical engineering. Wish you best of luck.